Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this phone mockup for your edits in the CapCut mobile. So first, just prepare a background like this, and then add the green screen overlay, the phone mockup overlay. So click on the overlay button, add overlay, and here I'm going to just go to the CapCut library to find the phone green screen that I want to use. So here, let's say I'm going to use this one. Click on the overlay, add, and let's remove the green screen by using the chroma key. So go to remove BG and click on chroma key, drag the color picker into the green screen on side the phone, and adjust the intensity and shadow like this. Now just fit the size of the phone to your liking, and after that add your video that you want to add to the green screen. Here I'm going to add overlay again, and I'm going to add the tutorial that I did here to the green screen. So first you need to make sure that the length of the green screen and also the background match with the video. Okay, now click on the video and let's find mask. I'm going to go to use the rectangle, and here adjust the size to fit with the phone. Okay, I'm going to make the video okay like this, and click on adjust, and let's adjust the round corner to make it fit to the phone. Okay, after that just go back. Now let's find layer and adjust the layer of the overlay. Here I'm going to move this into like this. Now you can always fit the size again if it doesn't feel right. Like this, you can zoom in or out, and after that you are done. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!